Hi guys, RIB, Robbie and Bonnick, inspirational speaker, inspirational coach, author of Soul Survivor, How an Abandoned Child Went From Nothing to Everything, published by New Holland. Welcome guys, welcome. So today, past, present, future, right? So which one are you? Are you past, present, or future? Now, like I woke up this morning about 4 a.m. Now, I didn't go to bed till I think 1 a.m., so it wasn't a long sleep. And I woke up with this knot in my stomach, like, right? Fear, right? So I've done reckless things in my life, no doubt about it, right? And I'm still paying for some of them. And I just got a memory of something which I have to do. And I forgot about it for like a long time. And it kind of came back to haunt me this morning. It's like, boom, right? Knot in my stomach, like kind of meditated about it, just let it go, and gently it kind of focused on my breathing, and then it kind of faded away into the background. But it caused me to kind of think, right? And you know, as the universe seems to help us always, right? Either learn a lesson or learn a lesson, right? And so I listened to a guy called Evan Carmichael in the morning. Awesome guy, check him out, Evan Carmichael. And the first video today was about this, past, present, future. And, you know, it reminded me of, you know, like quite often I can put myself, and it's all you, in other words, it's all me, right? But I can put myself looking at the future in a state of worry, or I can acknowledge that the future, I want to plan for it, sure, but the future is something that's not set. So if there's something that's worrying me, that's bothering me, right, then it's pointless for me to really like take it on board as though it's happening now, which is what I did this morning, right? So what I did is I woke up, boom, knot in my stomach, right? Because I failed to realize that the future is the future. It's not set. If I want to worry about the future, that's my choice to bring the worry from the future of an event that hasn't even happened yet and bring that into my present, right? So how often do you find yourself doing that? Do you find yourself doing that, right? For me, it doesn't seem to happen, but this morning it happened. And it felt very real for me, you know, it felt really real. So the reason for doing this is that, you know, we're often told that if we live in the past, we live in regret. If we live in the future, we live in, you know, uncertainty in a way, because it's worry, it's fear. Whereas if we live in the present, it's a gift, right? Because you're just focused on what you're doing right now, which is the only thing that you can really have any real impact over, right? And if you focus where you are right now, you create your present, you create your future and your past at the same time, right? So look, just wondering if that resonates with you out there. It definitely resonated with me this morning, and it's just something which I wanted to share. Just a reminder, right, that if you're very future-based, you know, remember, it's your choice if you bring that future worry of something that hasn't even happened yet into your present, and that's what actually hurts. So we're not afraid of what happens, we're afraid of what might happen, right? So we're not afraid of what happens, but we're afraid of what might happen. How's that true for you? All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.